Ajinomoto Malaysia Berhad is established in 1961. The corporate message of the company is eat well, live well, and the mission is to contribute the world food awareness and to the better live for the future. Here, you can see mapping strategy groups for the Ajinomoto retail product. You can see that Ajinomoto retail product have the highly competitive advantage compared with the other competitors' product such as Nestle, Unilever, and Adabi.
The first issue is common misconceptions or rumors.
The Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives, or JECFA, the scientific advisory body to the World Health Organization and the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, declared that the acceptable daily intake for MSG to be not specified. This means JECFA considers Ajinomoto safe to be used in food. The Federal Food and Drug Administration of the United States of America classified MSG under the generally recognized as safe category. In Malaysia, it is listed in the 1985 Food Acts and Regulations as a permitted flavor enhancer.
The second issue is current factory involving in the development of the future city. Lastly, the third issue is unforeseen global and political economy may affect the environmental factors.
The first Ajinomoto strength is established and well-recognized brand because Ajinomoto has a business specialized in the MSG. Ajinomoto concerned with their stakeholder and the customer is part of their stakeholder, where the Ajinomoto is providing their customer call center which functioning to help the customer easily reach them and get the customer complaint. Ajinomoto is a company that expert in the manufacturing the seasoning and chemical ingredient based on the amino acid technology, especially the sweetener and the flavor enhancer, which is the monosodium glutamate or the MSG. Ajinomoto has two innovations to their products, starting from the pure MSG to the food seasoning such as turmeric, sriracha, and others. Ajinomoto expand their market to the Middle East and get boost the demand because Ajinomoto has halal certificate from JAKIM, and the country that Ajinomoto has already penetrated including the Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Jordan, and others. For the globalization, the Ajinomoto can enter the Middle East country. For the research and development, Ajinomoto has high technology advancement in their R&D, and this could lead them to develop new product or do some innovation to their existing product. In 21st century, business more focused on the customer experience, and the food industry are facing pressure because it's difficult to deliver level of satisfaction to the customer. Ajinomoto also face the same problem because this company are related to the food industry and also at the MSG.
For ST strategy, Ajinomoto company is highly responsive toward its customer space of this new technology to produce the best product that will satisfy their customers. SO strategy, Ajinomoto can expand its market to reach a wider customers. Company is actually highly responsive towards their customers, and globalization can make it easier for the company to expand their market by reducing various taxes and duties. WO strategy, Ajinomoto should take the advantage on product innovation. It can increase and also establish the innovation of its product. Ajinomoto company actually is to focus on seasoning business than others businesses, so the company should rely on innovation. Okay, lastly is a WT strategy. We know that people expectation is always high, and all they want is something that can ease them and it is safe. So one of the way to benefit this kind of expectation that the company should create the campaign idea or advertising for making the customer's life simplify with the innovations of the product.
Okay, the best recommendation we choose for the Ajinomoto is a product innovation. Ajinomoto can do innovation on the existing product that can suit with the customer preferences. The packaging and labeling also need to innovate so the product will look more interesting and valuable. For example, like mix and the Seri Aji. In our other opinion, Ajinomoto can implement the product innovation strategy as a new strategy because it can penetrate to new market. Ajinomoto can introduce new product like instant noodle. As our conclusion, this innovation align with their mission